Hello YouTube, it's your girl Simply Sil here, and I'm back with another unboxing. We are in the month of December and I got my Boxycharm in the mail today, so I wanted to come on and unbox it for you guys. Unfortunately, this is like the second time that I recorded this video because people are calling me when I'm trying to record and it's just a mess. It's just hectic. So I already opened up the box. The box arrived damaged. So the box was damaged when it arrived, on the side and on the front, but you open up the box and here it is. It has that red that we all love, and then it comes with this pamphlet, and this pamphlet just goes over the products and like the cost of the products that you got in your box. So the first thing I want to unbox for you guys is the Ciate London Marble Light Illuminating Blusher. So this is the packaging, and this retails for $26. So here's the packaging here, and we're gonna open it up and see. Oh, it's cute, like cute little packaging, so cute. So this is the shade right here. It's a blusher. It doesn't have a scent. I don't even know why I smelled it. I don't know why I thought it was gonna have a scent. That's weird. What it looks like. Here's the shade here. I don't typically use blush, but I might actually give this a try, or I'm gonna give it away. So I'm gonna watch some tutorial videos on how to use it and give this a try. So this is the Ciate London Marble Light Illuminating Blusher, and it retails for $26. Okay, so the next thing was a choice item, and I chose the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. I believe you had the option of choosing the Glacier Water Cream or the Elemis Facial Oil. So this is the packaging here, and this is supposed to be like a moisturizer. Okay, so it says an exclusive peptide formula that promotes skin's natural regeneration process. That's nice. I did use it when I was recording the other video that got rudely interrupted, and I love it. Like my face, it feels tacky a little bit, like I can use this as a primer. That's how it feels. But if my face overall feels moisturized. This retails for $39. Alright, so that retails for $39. And let's go ahead and open it up and look at the packaging. So this is what it looks like, and this is the top of it. I love the packaging. I just think the packaging is so cute. So it doesn't have a scent, and it kind of looks a little bit like water. It really does. So this is our Glacier Water Cream. Or moisturizer, okay? And whenever you touch it, it just feels like, it feels thin, but it doesn't feel too thin, if that makes sense, you know. Let's put this on some more. I'm not about to waste no product. I am not a girl that wastes products, okay? So, my face just feels so good after I use that. The next product we're going to get into, it's the Brow Bar by Rima. It's True Brow Makeover Kit. So it comes in this gold packaging right here, and this retails for $30. Okay.
Didn't she get a
So we're gonna open this up. I love the packaging. It's really cute. So we have 3 brow shades here, I want to say. We have a light brown, a dark brown, and this is like a cream color, I guess. And then we have, guys, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this out. Let me try my hardest to get this out for you. Hopefully it doesn't go flying across the room. Oh my God, y'all. Like, I really can't get it out. So, you know why I couldn't get it out? Duh, because I had to open it. Like, yeah. I'm just so, like, I'm over here with a knife trying to get it out, and it's just not working. So we open up the package, and then here we have our shades right here. Let's see if these shades have a name. don't see any names for the shades, but how you use this is, it says style your brows like a pro with the ultimate brow kit. Designed with 2 long wearing brown shades, brightening brow lift, sculpting mascara gel, angled brush, and a flat brow brush. Okay, so this is the brush here. Like, I already did my eyebrows today, so I'm not going to do that on camera. But it's a nice small little brush for you to like get in there. I am excited for this product. And then we have our I don't know what they said this was. I can't remember. I think it's a mascara for your brows, but oh my goodness, I couldn't even open it. Oh my God. Oh, okay. This is different. Y'all, I ain't even about to do this on camera. Like, I could just, okay, so I might make a tutorial video for y'all. I don't know yet. We'll have to see, but I'm happy with this product. So far, I'm going to rate this box about 3 out of 5 stars so far. So that was this brow bar, and it retails for, how much does it retail for? $30. Okay. Our next product that we got, and I'm so happy that they bubble wrapped it, because my first Boxycharm box, it arrived and 2 of the products were broken, and I just was not happy. So this came in the bubble wrap here, and this is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tale Eyeshadow Palette. Wow, it really looks like a book.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so this is the shade. These are the shades that I got.
It's beautiful.
It's okay. You know, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. So, this shade here is called Maid Marion. Maid Marion. Y'all, I'm about to discipline my daughter because she's doing too much. She's about to get it. Like, and this shade is here is Quiver. And this one is Forest. And then we have Nottingham, Merry Men, and Robin Hood. So I'm guessing this is the Robin Hood Storybook. Yep, the Robin Hood Storybook Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. You know what? I have so many eyeshadow palettes. I'll probably give this one away as a gift. So I'm not going to swatch them for you. I'm sure the shades are phenomenal to swatch. You can watch other videos if you want to see this palette swatched. And last but not least, let me tell you how much this retails for. This retails for $35. Okay, so that's cool, not bad. And then the last product we got, which I'm actually so excited for, and I'm so happy that I got this product in my box, because this is something I'm definitely going to use. And this is the Aesthetica Pro Series Brush Cleanser and Conditioner. And this is a full size. It's 2.5 fluid ounces. I'm so happy I got this because Lord knows I need it. And this retails for $12. So that's not bad for a brush cleanser. Overall, I am going to rate this box out of 3 out of 5 stars. Just because there's 2 products in here that I may give away, and I've only got 3 products that I know I'm for sure going to use. So we're going to rate this box 3 out of 5 stars. If you like this video, if you want to see more content from me, if you want to see more unboxing, please hit the like and subscribe button. You know, make short, cute videos for you guys. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you felt about these products, and let me know what you got in your Ipsy. I said Ipsy. I meant to say Boxycharm. See, I'm not even thinking straight. So, let's see. I don't know how much everything was worth in the box, but yeah, hit the like and subscribe button.